Hi guys, postman's bin. In fact, 2 days running. I didn't bother opening it the first day, so I just wrote the dates on the back. 18th the 11th, 19th the 11th. Not very exciting, these ones, I know what they are. Contents, other. Oh yeah, it does say cable at the bottom there. This one's come via Malaysia. And then this one, contents, gift. This one's come from Hong Kong. So those are micro JST connectors. I seem to get through quite a lot of connectors one way and another, so this must be at least the second, probably third or fourth video where I've been opening packets containing connectors. There you go, another load of these. Normal JST connectors. I use them for my electric motors in my boats and cars and that sort of thing. So there we go. Grandad's post bag. There'll be links. No, there won't be links in the video description. There'll be titles of these, the title that I use to search for them. I feel that if I give you direct links, people think I'm getting some sort of kickback from the seller. So I now just tell you the title of the item and you can do your own search, and the same title will go for eBay, Banggood, what is it, Alibaba or whatever it's called, AliExpress, Amazon. Just type the description in and you should be able to find them. Thank you for watching.